fancy. I'm sure everybody's ready for the weekend. But will some rain put a damper on your outdoor plans? I know my garden and my grass would appreciate it, Ben.
Yeah, it's a trade-off that I think a lot of us are probably willing to make at this point, Karen. But you mentioned Isaias, and that's where we're going to start. It is a hurricane. 6 letters, 4 syllables there, Isaias. And the 2 o'clock advisory, just barely a Category 1 hurricane at 75 miles per hour. But you saw the video from that storm, and it will continue to the northwest. And you can notice that that forecast cone does include the Atlantic coast of Florida, pretty much all of it, from Miami right on up through the Carolinas and beyond. But very small change in that track could make a huge difference as that thing starts to move up the Atlantic coast and then probably making a legit landfall in the Carolinas as we get into late in the weekend, early on Monday. Otherwise, probably again some interaction with the northeast depending on the track of that, and that's going to be by the middle of next week. So it's going to have a big impact all up and down the eastern seaboard in the next 5 days. There's the rain closer to us. It's down coming in off of the Ohio Valley, and we will start to see at least the chances of that. It's a slim chance tomorrow afternoon, but there could be a shower around, at least in the south zone or on the east side by Saturday afternoon. Better chances, though, as we get into the evening, as that low gets closer to us. That low is going to be bringing quite a bit of wet weather, but the heaviest of it is going to go over to southern parts of Ontario. It's just a question of how close it's going to get. And a reinforcing cold front from the northwest will keep shower chances around Monday and even into Tuesday of next week before we go into yet another extended dry stretch, which could take us past next weekend. So rainfall totals, I think these are probably on the low end, but they do show that generally the east side is going to get more than what we're going to see in the west zone, and I think that's correct. So if you're along the lake shore, you're probably going to end up with a lot more rain than folks out in Livingston and Washtenaw counties. But somebody, or I should say everybody, should get a little bit of something out of this multiple systems in the next 3 days. 64 tonight. Let's look at high temperatures tomorrow as we hit 85. And that 7-day forecast does get us cooler as we get into next week. We've got 3 days in the 70s. And even though that humidity is going to spike a little bit over the weekend, Karen, it's going to come back down next week. And that's going to be a comfortable start, a comfortable introduction to August.
Right. We'll be ready for it. Thank you, Ben.
Yep.
Still head first at 4.